Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp sticker on iPhone. To start, go to your App Store. Here, type Sticker Maker. Scroll down and open sticker.ly. Tap to download it. After that, open your sticker.ly app. Open your email address. Tap on Next. Then, enter the password. Once done, tap on Continue. Now tap OK. Then give access. Tap on Get Started. Tap on plus icon. Select your sticker type. Give access to photos. Then upload any video to make it a sticker. Save it to My Stickers. Give it a title and then tap on Save. From here, you can make more stickers as well. Then go to your WhatsApp to use these stickers. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified about new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.